Breaking news. News anchor Leo reporting. We've had a major breakthrough in the case of the vicious attack on Mrs. Mouse. Here's Sergeant Doug from the RCMP.
My name is Sergeant Doug of the RCMP, and I've been leading the investigation into the vicious attack on Mrs. Mouse. First off, we found traces of broccoli, blueberries, and what appears to be wheatgrass at the crime scene. These are favorites of Patty, aka the Black Widow, which leads us to believe that she is in some way connected to this crime. Additionally, analysis of the video of the main two suspects show that Willie is sporting glasses which have appeared in a number of his videos. Please put up exhibit number 1 for consideration. You see these glasses here on Willie, aka the Iceman. Please put up exhibit number 2. Again, here you see Willie, aka the Iceman, wearing the glasses. Please put up exhibit number 3, and here yet again you see Willie, aka the Iceman, wearing the glasses. Please put up exhibit number 4, and here yet again you can see Willie, aka the Iceman, wearing the glasses. Finally, put up exhibit 5, and here you see both Patty, aka the Black Widow, and Willie, aka the Iceman, both in disguise, wearing hats, showing that they like to dress up and hide who they are. Also note that the hat which Patty, aka the Black Widow, is wearing is the same one that Willie, aka the Iceman, is wearing in this final photo.
Next we have an interview with Funky Monkey that will blow the lid off of this case.
Miss Froggy and I, we've been tracking this story since the beginning, and that Mountie, he got the goods. I'm giving you the 411 so that you can call the 911. Now you listen up. Oh my, what's going on? Help me. Oh, I need to sit down here. Okay, now where was I? There ain't no way that Willie over at Roxy's place on Valentine's Day. No. They be tripping on this. That's just wrong. Roxy over at Chris's place on Valentine's Day. They had a date. There ain't no Willie in there. You check the video on Roxy's page. I'm talking about the video from Valentine's Day on Roxy's page. You find Willie anywhere in that video. It ain't there. Roxy wasn't at home. She was with Chris the whole time. You check that video. You find me Willie anywhere in there. No siree, Bob. It ain't there.
We'll be following this story as it develops further.